philanthropy. My heart and soul is in philanthropy, but my spirit and my passion is always into like creativity and the arts and coming up with new ways to collaborate with people. And speaking of that, that's exactly what is happening here tonight, this sort of really awesome creative collaboration with some folks here who had a pretty common idea in mind. And I'm going to try to read this without my really sexy reading glasses. Okay, Dominique. And you know, one of my friends, Cynthia, we were just talking, speaking of Dominique, like we were telling each other, could you imagine pulling something together like this when you're 23 years old? Do you want to know what I was doing when I was, you don't want to know what I was doing when I was 23 years old, but we've always been so impressed with Dominique. I've known you for about a year, and you are something, girl, let me just tell you. So yeah. Sponsors and our vendors and folks tonight here who helped make this happen. So a special thanks to those who have donated baskets and also our vendor tables. So please make your way and introduce yourself to all of these wonderful vendors we have here tonight. Creative Coffee Supply, Country Hammer Moonshine, yum. Cynthia Greathouse is over there with her products in the corner. Hanlon's Catering, Rockefellers, and the Ultimate Pastry Shop. So at the 2019 Pittsburgh Business Show is sort of where this all came to fruition. Dominique Murray Photography, Hobby Prodigy, and the Flashlight Factory were all introduced to each other, right? We love to collaborate. And after Jen and Dominique briefly spoke, they realized that they had a really specific common goal in mind. That was a photo shoot with splatter paint. So heading out after the show, Dominique, Jen, and Gracie knew that this event just had to come to life. They were going to make this happen. So tonight we're incredibly excited to be hosting the first ever Splatter Me Crazy. Now, again, we're talking about giving back and philanthropy here tonight, so we're delighted to say that all proceeds will be going to the Pittsburgh chapter of the Magic Yarn Project, the Western Pennsylvania chapter of the National Hemophilia Foundation, and the Turtle Creek Rotary. So we are giving back in a big and creative way. The work, our 12 models are more than excited for you to continue throwing paint at them. So please feel free to take pictures throughout the evening too and spread this vision, make this vision go viral. So we're gonna use the hashtag #SplatterMeCrazy, right? Okay, and so yeah, let's get the word out about this first ever event so we can make this a yearly thing and give back in an even bigger way. So we can give back even more.
I think everybody should give Dominique a round of applause because she did all of the heavy lifting. She really reached out. It was constant activity. She put in, her entire heart, which goes to show the passion that you have. So thank you so much for putting all this together. Yes, it was just kind of us craziness, but she did all the heavy lifting. So everybody just, if you have a minute, come say thank you to her because she did all of this for this cause. So we're super grateful, Dominique.
Let me tell you, these are women to watch. All of you guys are. So thank you so much for your support tonight. Go have a blast and go get splattered.